Me llamo Rachel Long, and today we're going to be talking about the future tense. And now there's two ways that you can make a sentence in the future tense. You can either do a conjugation, so the verb plus a future ending, or you can do ir, a plus the infinitive. And now the ir will be conjugated, of course. You're going to do the conjugation of the verb. The verb endings are all going to be the same. So for AR, IR, and ER, they're all going to be the same endings. So those are, for yo, you're going to end it in e. For tú, as. Él, ella, ustedes, a. For nosotros and nosotras, it'll be imos. For ellos, ellos, and ustedes, it's going to be an. For example, if you're going to use the word comer, which means to eat, in the future tense, it would be yo come, tú comas, él coma, nosotros comimos, and ellas coman. You can also do it for other verbs, like bailar, which means to dance. It'd be yo bailé, tú bailas, baila, nosotros bailimos, and ellos bailan. The last verb that we're going to conjugate today is practicar, which means to practice. And it'd be yo practiqué, tú practicas, usted practica, nosotras practimos, and ustedes practican. Some examples of conjugated verbs in sentences. So we have nosotros comimos la pasta, which means they will eat pasta. We have ella baila a la música, which means she will dance to music. And we have yo practica el fútbol, which means I will practice soccer. The other way to use future tense is also really easy. You have a conjugated ir plus a plus the verb infinitive. So in this case we're going to use nadar, which means to swim, trabajar, which means to work, and correr, which means to run. Some examples of using this form of future tense in sentences would be yo voy a nadar, which means I will swim. Tú vas a trabajo mañana, which means you will work tomorrow. And él va a correr dos millas, which means he will run 2 miles. So when you're writing in future tense, just remember your verb endings or your infinitive. Adios!